Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new there, then hey, what's up? My name is Ashley. Hope you guys join the fun, join the crew, join the squad, and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're one of my OG subscribers, then welcome back to my channel. Alright you guys, so today's video is going to be all about my hair. This beautiful crochet hairstyle. Yes, this is not a wig, this is not a weave, this is actually crochet hair. So the hair that I used is from this company called Leeven. They sent me 6 packs of their passion twist hair, and funny enough, I'd actually planned to do a passion twist hairstyle with this. I was gonna do a protective style, I was gonna do some nice cute passion twist, but when I was installing the crochet hair, I was like, this is kind of cute, and I've never actually done like a crochet hairstyle before. I've always just done my passion twist doing the crochet method, but this time I actually wanted to do like a crochet hairstyle. So instead of actually twisting the hair, I just left it out, and this is what the hair is looking like. I think it is so cute. It's this like brown into light blonde ombre kind of look. It's a lot of hair. It's very much so big hair, so if you are not a big hair fan, then I would suggest you probably, you know, twist the hair up. But since I love big hair, this kind of, you know, works out for me because I do love big hair. So yeah, you guys, I did this using the crochet method, and I actually did this lazy girl braid up pattern underneath. This is perfect for anybody who doesn't know how to braid, doesn't have a lot of time to do their hair, and just wants a quick and easy hairstyle. This whole thing took me about 2.5 hours to complete. So yeah, I show you guys in the video how I did my braid pattern, which doesn't have any braids, and how I installed the hair, and how I kind of cut a few layers and stuff in it as well. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this hairstyle, then definitely keep on watching. Alright you guys, so we are going to be doing some passion twist today. I'm super excited to be doing some passion twist because I have been rocking protective styles all year. This entire year my hair has either been in passion twists or underneath wigs, and it's really been helping my hair to grow and to strive. So we are going to be doing a protective style today. So I'm going to be doing some passion twist with crochet hair. The crochet hair that I'm going to be using is from a company called Leeven. So this is all of the hair packaged up. So I'm gonna open up this package so you guys can see. They sent me 6 packs of their crochet hair, and they also sent me some hair jewels as well. So that is pretty dope. So here is what the crochet hair looks like. It's this brownish ombre color, which is really cute. It is 18 inches in length, and it already has the crochet loop at the top. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna open one of these packs so you guys can see. So this is what the hair looks like. It is like brown, and it goes into like a lighter blondish color at the bottom. So I think that's really pretty and really cute, and they sent me 6 packs of these. They also sent me some like hair jewels, you know, the little jewels that you pull on your twist and stuff. So they sent me a bunch of those, and they also sent a crochet needle as well, which is dope. I already had one, but they sent one in the hair package as well. So you have everything that you need to do your hairstyle. Leeven Hair specializes in crochet hair, wig accessories, and stuff like that. So I'm gonna have all their information linked down below in the description box so you guys can go and check them out. But yeah, I'm super excited to do my passion twist. So I'm starting off with blow dried hair. I like to blow dry my hair before I do it because it kind of just helps to stretch my hair a little bit, and it makes it a little bit easier for me to like, you know, style it and do stuff with it. So my hair is freshly blow dried and it's stretched out. For those of you who don't know, I am growing out a pixie cut. I had a pixie cut back in 2019. And so I've just been trying to grow out my hair. The back of my hair was completely shaved, and now your girl got some length in the back, so I'm super excited about that. So yeah, I have gone ahead and blow dried my hair, and what I'm going to start off with is sectioning my hair. I am going to be doing the rubber band method. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to section off my hair and put them in elastic bands. But before I do that, I'm actually going to soak my elastic bands in hair oil. So I got these rubber bands from my local beauty supply store. It's a pack of 700. And I'm gonna open the pack, and I'm gonna put a few of them. Oh, I'm like struggling to like open it. I'm gonna put a few of them in this old like edge control lid. So I'm just gonna put a few of them in here. I may not end up using all of these, but I'm just putting them in here. And then I'm gonna take some hair oil and I'm gonna put some hair oil on it. And so I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil on the elastic bands and I'm just gonna let them soak in the hair oil. And this is just gonna help the elastics to adhere to your hair a little bit better and not provide so much like tension or anything like that. It's better if you just soak them in oil and then put it on your hair. It's just healthy for your hair. It won't cause any snagging or breakage in your hair. So I'm just gonna soak this in the hair oil like this, and I'm gonna let this sit while I part my hair. So I have my 2 combs here that I'm going to be using. I have a big tooth comb here and I have a rat's tail comb here that has the little metal piece at the bottom to help me with parting. So I'm gonna be trying a new braiding technique for this passion twist. I'm gonna be doing almost like the cane row, no cane row look, where you pretty much just put your hair in elastic bands and connect them all the way going back. So that is what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm gonna be trying something new. I did see this technique here on YouTube on a few different channels, so I'm gonna be trying it out for myself to see if it's a little bit easier. So I'm gonna start off in the front, obviously. So I'm just gonna part my hair the thickness I want my passion twist to be. So I'm just gonna part this going all the way to the back of my ear. I'm gonna start off here. So now that I have my section off here, I'm gonna go in and add some Shine and Jam. You can use any type of like styling gel that you want to, but I prefer to use the Shine and Jam. The Shine and Jam is my personal favorite. So I'm just gonna add this all around this section. And this just helps your sections to look neater once you catch it up with the elastic. You can do this per section, like each individual elastic section, but I like to just put it all in at one time when I have like a big section, and then I'll just section these out into smaller sections. Take a shot for every time I said sectioned. Y'all gonna be drunk. So now that I've gone ahead and put in all of the gel, like so, we can go ahead and start making our smaller sections and putting in the elastics. So I'm gonna start off with this front section here. So this is the size that it's going to be. And I'm just gonna comb it, make sure everything is nice and neat. And then we're gonna put in one of our elastics that's been soaking in the oil, and I'm just gonna make a section. Like so, and there we have our first section. So I'm just gonna continue this all the way over to this side. So I'm looking kind of crazy, but here are all of my sections here in the front. So now we're gonna pretty much just repeat the exact same thing going all the way back. All right, you guys, so I have finished all of my faux cornrows. This is very lazy girl friendly because it was super easy to just go ahead and make my sections and just connect all of the sections together with elastic. So this is what it's looking like. I know it's not perfectly neat, but all the hair is nicely tucked in the elastic band. And this was really easy. This just took me about half an hour to do. So yeah, now we're ready to start putting in the twist. Okay, so like I mentioned before, these are the twist or the crochet hair that I'm going to be using. It's very pretty. It has this ombre effect to it. So I'm just going to take it apart from the elastic that's holding it together, or the packaging. So I have a pair of scissors here, and I'm just going to snap the ribbon that's holding the hair together. And now I have all my individual twists here now. So this is what one of them looks like. So in order to connect your crochet hair, it is super simple. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see how it's done. I'm gonna do a section here in the front. So you're gonna take your crochet needle, and it has two settings. It has a closed setting and it also has an open setting. You're gonna put it through your hair in the open setting. So just like this, and stick it through, and you see how it's open. Then you're gonna connect your crochet hair like so. Then you're gonna close it, bring it through. You're gonna take your crochet out, and you're just gonna feed the hair through this hook. Pull, and it's connected. And then you can go ahead and twist the hair. You could leave it just like this, to be honest. You don't even have to twist it. I think I'm gonna actually twist mine because I'm trying to do like passion twist. So for this style, I'm actually just gonna leave the hair just like this, and we're just gonna keep connecting pieces. All right, you guys, so that is it for today's video. Tell me what you guys are thinking. Are we liking this hairstyle or not? As you guys can see, I did kind of switch up my, method. I was starting off doing passion twist, and then I just switched off and just did a crochet hairstyle. So I think it's cute. It's very, very nice. I love the colors of the hair. I love that it goes into this like light blonde color at the bottom. I've been experimenting with new colors, so I'm very excited. So yeah, I'm really, really liking the hair. So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, then definitely give this video a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know if we're liking the hair. Let me know. I'm gonna have all the hair information down in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. And if you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we have fun over here. So be sure to subscribe so you join the fun, join the crew, join the squad. Okay. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.